Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy.
Okay, take a look at these English sentences. Are you a teacher? Are you Chinese? These are asking simple yes or no answers, right? So how do you ask these questions in Chinese? Well, is it important to be able to ask questions like these in Chinese? Are you a teacher? Are you Chinese? Yeah, because you want to be able to confirm with another person whether your assumptions are correct, right? Are you a teacher? Are you Chinese? Right? Am I right? So let's turn to page 16 of your textbook and let's look at grammatical point number 3. To put it simply, if you want to ask the question, are you a teacher? We simply change the sentence to, you are a teacher, right? You're Chinese, right? Okay, we first say what we assume and then add right at the end. Right? And this right in Chinese is expressed by ma. Ma, meaning, am I right? For example, are you a teacher? 你是老师吗? 你是老师吗? Make sure that you say 你 with a low third tone. 你是老师吗? 你是老师吗? Another example, are you American? 你是美国人吗? 你是美国人吗? 你是中国人吗? 你是中国人吗? See, you just say what you assume, and then you add ma at the end to say, am I right? 你是中国人吗? Yeah, that's how you ask yes or no questions in Chinese. If you want to say, aren't you Chinese? Are you not Chinese? Then you just say, you're not Chinese. Am I right? 你不是中国人吗? 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 Are you not American? 你不是美国人吗? Why don't you understand English? Aren't you American? 你不是美国人吗? 你不是美国人吗? 你好。
你好，你是？
我是 John， 我是中国人。
你不是美国人吗？
我不是美国人，我是中国人。Okay, time for a quick practice. So, how do you say student? 学生. That's right. Very good. Now, how do you say you are a student? 你是学生. Correct. Okay, 你是学生. You're a student. How do you say, are you a student? Remember, you say, you are a student, right? 你是学生吗? Simply add a ma at the end. Another practice. How do you say, are you not Li Yue? Li Yue is the name of a person. Okay, how do you say, are you not Li Yue? 你不是李月吗? Very good.
If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.